There are definitely multiple ways to access Git through your computer. A lot of people use graphical user interfaces that allow you to visually see windows that pop up and have buttons you can click to use their Git commands. But in my opinion, I think that every beginner developer should probably start with a command line interface. So right now, we just want to make certain you can get your command line interface open. If you're using a Mac, you're probably going to be using the terminal as your command line interface. And if you're using a Windows machine, you're going to be using Get Bash as your interface. If you do not have Get Bash on your Windows machine, go ahead and click the Get Bash button and go ahead and download it for your Windows machine now. Windows does come with a shell that's able to do a lot of the similar commands, but it's called PowerShell, and it won't follow the exact same commands we'll be teaching throughout our uses here. So using Get Bash is going to give you a better idea of how to match what you see on a lot of our teachings, which might be following the terminal in Win Mac, because that's what we have, versus the Get Bash you'll be using. So make certain you have the right software. Once you have the right software in a Macintosh, you can open up multiple different ways. If you happen to have it down on your ribbon, you can just click the terminal button, or you can hold the command key in the spacebar and do a search for terminal. And then you hit enter and you'll have your terminal open. If you're on a Windows machine, which I can't show directly, you would hit your Windows key on your keyboard. It would pull up the search bar on the left, the start menu, and you'll be able to type in Get Bash, and you'll be able to find it. You should be able to look it up, and it looks something like this.